talked here about employee focus. Employee focus is my proposition for this seminar. My belief and the HR fraternity and professionals believe that, and it is proven by the market forces and whatever is happening in industry, that if your employees are taken care of, they will give you the best results and best market focus and best customer focus and whatever else goes with it. If you're making a deviation, you need to think about all the implications, system-wide, not only on the immediate. But this is one of the problems because of which what is happening, decision making is spoiling the health of the organization, because bad decisions are taken with the immediate focus on what is existing right now.
Big role in that, because every company today wants to be successful, and they can only be successful if they sell their products and they survive. Look at the ads, and I get fascinated when I look at many ads which come up in the TV. And some ads which I like the most, and I can share with you. How are they trying to catch the psyche of the people? We all are Indians. We are cost conscious. Maruti, they are trying to focus on one particular ad, fuel efficiency. What's the punchline? Kitna deti hai? This is where they're trying to catch the focus.
Changed over a period of time, over the last few years. In my lifetime, I would say the customer has not changed. His needs are not changed. He still wants to go from one place to another, wants to talk to one person talks to talk to another person. You all want to talk to your friends. So needs are mostly unchanged. So what has changed? I think the expectations have changed. I'm going to dwell a little bit more on the expectations. The current capex. You see today's DTH world. You go and buy a box from Tata Sky or Airtel or Dish TV. You get it at 1,000 rupees, fully installed at your home. Now, do you know what the cost of a DTH box that the company is actually paying? It's twice that. The cost of acquisition of a subscriber is actually more than 2 times the cost of the initial investment that you are making for buying a DTH.
To be innovative, think differently for the consumer. There's always a different way. Now tell me, you went, which is the highest market share in the airlines today? Exceeding your revenue in terms of your expenses, that's it. Unfortunately, our government is also doing the same. So what I'm saying is, these are the situational analysis which one has to see.